Hi everyone, it's Bonnie, and this week we are doing Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge Week 7. The prompts for this week are something that squeaks, so I chose these cute little animals. A pair of something, so I chose these pair of pandas. A math symbol, so I used this page from a school textbook. And the bonus item is pattern paper, so I used this digital download I'd got from an Etsy shop. I will link that below. Now I'm going through the prompts and seeing where I'd like to place them on the page. Time to start cutting. Here I'm using my tearing ruler to get the part of the math page that I want to use in the collage. Of the three cute animals that were on the page, I decided to use the hamster. Also on the list was a cake, so I chose this chocolate cake that had a pink stand and pink icing, and I thought it went quite well with my pattern paper that I picked out. I like that this is a big picture because it helps with the focal point. After deciding where all the pictures are going, it's time to glue them down. How is everyone doing today? Are you also working on the Margarete Miller challenge? I decided to make the panda picture the pocket for where the prompts are going to stay. After I realized I needed something torn as one of the items, I decided to use this coffee dyed paper as the little tuck spot for where the prompts were going to stay. After getting it the right size, I tore down the side and this became my something torn item. So let's go over the list one more time to make sure I have everything. Something that squeaks or honks, this would be the little hamster. A cake, this beautiful chocolate cake. A pair of something, the pair of pandas. Something torn, my little tuck spot for holding the prompts. A math symbol, this page from a school book. And the bonus is pattern paper, and I used a digital download. Once again, this collage was very fun to work on, so I'm really enjoying the challenge. I thank everybody for coming by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.